Hi there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 6435 Wien Lane in Cocoa, which is in Port St. John. And before we get started, I want to give a quick shout out to the listing agent, Brandon Phillips with Blue Martin Real Estate. He was kind enough to allow us to do this video. So definitely want to make sure I thank him because this home is gorgeous. So we're going to walk this way just a tad bit so you can see that the garage is on that side. It is a regular 2-car garage over there. And we're going to do a quick spin because I love the fact that this is kind of down on a corner and there is nobody in front of you. So kind of a nice little private area, and of course shows beautifully from the front of the home. This is gorgeous. So we are going to cruise inside. Isn't that cute? Little chairs out front and everything. Oh dear, I'm going to fall up the stair. We don't want that to happen. That would not make for a good video for me. Probably a little funny for y'all. So as we step inside, look at this. Isn't this adorable? Nice open concept. Gorgeous floors. Love the stone in front of the bar area in the kitchen. And since we're here, we're going to go ahead and do kitchen first. We've got a nice, deep, under-the-counter sink there. Tall cabinets. Of course, you got your refrigerator, your stove, your microwave. I'm going to take a step back here so you can get a good view. Of course, you got the kitchen table. Super cute lighting up there. I'm going to swing around, let you see that the pantry is here. Unfortunately, will not be stocked, folks. They're going to go ahead and take their food with them when they go, so you'll have to do a little shopping. But looks like you have plenty of cabinets and plenty of space for all of that. So we're going to jump right into the primary bedroom. This room is big. Look at all this space. We've got a good sized bed. You got a nightstand on each side. Actually have a little desk sitting here. Room for a TV on that wall. We do have a walk-in closet. Always nice to have a walk-in closet, folks. And then one of my favorite places in here is this bathroom. Sorry about that. We did a weird turn there. Looks like we have to hold on to this for a bit. Anyway, we've got a gorgeous vanity. And as we swing around, look at the shower, folks. Absolutely love that shower. Isn't that pretty? Definitely love that shower. So we are going to cruise right back through. And we are going to go over to the guest side or children's side. And we are going to take a corner here and look at this bedroom. Nice size bedroom. Of course, you got your closet over on this side. Nice hallway, folks. Nice separation here. You go into the guest bath. And because my wonderful phone is not working as well as it should right now, you get a glimpse of me. But we do have the shower tub combo in there. And that was a really nice tile in there. And as we cruise down, we've got the bedroom here on the side. And again, plenty of space as you go down the hallway. Do have our washer dryer here in the hallway, a little shelf above that. We are going to take a step out into the garage because we know everybody likes to take a look at the garage. You've got this gorgeous flooring in here. Check this out. You probably can't see it as well in the video, but it's blue and black and super cool. Got our fishing poles hung from the ceiling. Just a super cute garage. Love it when they're taken care of and not just crammed with cars. Got some cool stuff out here. So back into the kitchen area, and we're going to go out back and check out back because another plus here is, look at this. There's nobody behind you, folks. You do have the fence on the side. A little bit of a wooded area. I'm assuming that's why it's not all the way fenced, is that you've got a lot of privacy and feels kind of like your backyard's bigger than what it really is with all that openness back there. We do have a big side yard on this one though. Look at this. Look at all the space. Tons and tons of space. There we go. All right, so you got a good look at the backyard. Let's cruise back inside, and I'll do a little bit of a recap once we are back in the air conditioning because Florida's hot. So I think I'm actually gonna stay right here so you get a good view of the kitchen area while we're chatting. Again, I'm at 6435 Wien Lane here in Port St. John, and I hope I'm saying that correctly. Not sure that I am. It's Wien Lane. Big shout out to Brandon Phillips with Blue Marlin Real Estate, listing agent on this gorgeous property. Thank you so much for allowing us to take a look. We are in a 2017 home with 1,404 square feet on 0.24 of an acre. So absolutely gorgeous. Nice split plan. Kitchen is amazing. Backyard is perfect. Got that epoxy garage floor. We're on the corner. Lots and lots of little decorative touches. And of course, Port St. John's a wonderful place to live. So again, thank you very much to Brandon. And if you have any questions or you want to see this home in person, you can reach out to Brandon or you can call me, Margarett Klein, your favorite Space Coast Realtor at 321-480-7662. And you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.